This video is a quick video about the mode. So this might look impossible, but I'll show you the tricks on how to do this to make it look easy, okay? So for the following data set, and we have a data set with y here, a variable, there's a missing number. If the mode is 82, what number would y be? So let's take a look at this. Remember, the mode is the number that appears the most mode. So that's how you kind of remember. Okay, so now let's take a look at our data set again, and let's find the numbers that appear the most. And let's start circling them, okay? So we could see in this data set 82 appears twice. And we could see also that 95 appears twice. So since 82 is the mode, that means it appears the most. That means y must be 82 to satisfy this, right? So if y is 82, then we have 382s and it appears the most, and that is the mode. Okay, and that's the end of that. And don't worry if you didn't understand that, anyone can do this. You could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this video. It'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description as well. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.